Today I'm going to show you how to change a cell's color in Excel based on text input. This is perfect for things like status trackers, task lists, project dashboards. Let's use some sample data. In column A, enter, pending, complete, cancelled, pending. Now we want Excel to automatically change the color depending on the word. Here's how to do it. First, select your data range. For example, a comma 2 to a comma 10. Now go to Home arrow, Conditional Formatting arrow, New Rule. Choose Format only cells that contain. Under Format only cells with, change it to Specific text. Then choose Containing and type Pending. Click Format. Choose a fill color, like yellow. Click OK. Now repeat the process for complete, maybe green, and again for cancelled, maybe red. And that's it. Now whenever someone types one of those words, the color updates automatically. Let me explain quickly what's happening. Conditional formatting creates rules that watch your cells. When the text matches the condition you set, Excel applies the format instantly. If you want something more flexible, you can also use a formula rule instead. For example, equals A2 equals pending. But for most people, the specific text option is faster and easier. That's it. Clean, automatic formatting based on text. If this helped, subscribe for more simple Excel and Google Sheets tips.